हाय मैम, गुडन टाग, गुडन मॉर्गन, या फिर कुछ भी कह लो आप, क्योंकि अभी मुझे पता नहीं है ना कि आपको ये वीडियो कब मिलेगी। तो सुबह, शाम, रात या इवनिंग कुछ भी मान सकते हो आप। सो आज एक स्पेशल डे है और वो है टीचर्स डे। टीचर्स डे के दिन आई वॉन्ट टू से यू दैट यू आर अ मेंटर, अ गाइड, एन एडवाइजर, अ क्रिएटर, अ हेल्पर एंड अ लीडर एंड अ मोटिवेटर। ये फुल फॉर्म है ये टीचर की, जो मैंने लर्न करी है। लर्न नहीं करी एक्चुअली, मैं यहाँ से देख देख के बोल रही हूँ। सो पता नहीं, you gave us a safe place to grow. You have shaped our mind. You gave us a safe place to grow. You gave us wings to fly. Thank you.
We get a Sinan, Glücklicher Lehrertag. You are an amazing teacher to us. Wishing you all the happiness and all the efforts and hard work you invested to bring out the best in us can never be repaid in more words. We can only feel grateful for having a teacher like you. Thank you and miss you. Happy Teachers Day.
गुरुर् ब्रह्मा गुरुर् विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरा गुरुर साक्षात पर ब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः. Glücklicher Lehrertag, ma'am. Ich hoffe, dass alles mit Ihnen in Ordnung ist. Und thank you for always being there. And sorry for switching into 3 languages. And thank you for always being there, from being a good friend to being a great and a very good teacher. Thank you ma'am, for supporting us, for having faith, and thank you so much, and we love you.
Day, ma'am, and I'm wishing you all the happiness and the love, wealth in your path, and looking forwarding to seeing you soon. And party is still pending from your side, right? And thank you for all the unfiltered things you do for me, like all the understanding or the efforts which I really need that time. So thank you, and so glad.
Happy Teachers Day, Kritika ma'am. You are a wonderful teacher, and we are very lucky to have a teacher like you. And it has been our honor to learn so many things from you. And और क्या बोलूँ यार आपके बारे में. You are a best teacher and my favorite teacher also. सो आपकी वजह से आज इतनी अच्छी जर्मन आ गई है, हमें बोलनी, पढ़नी, लिखनी सब आ गया है हमें आज. जर्मन के बारे में भी और जर्मनी के बारे में भी, जर्मनी के बारे में, दोनों के बारे में हमें आज अच्छे से पढ़ना लिखना आ गया है. और आपने हमें एक चीज़ बहुत अच्छे से सिखाई है. और हम यही विश करते हैं कि आप हमेशा हमारे साथ रहो. और ये है कि अब तो हमारा लेवल कंप्लीट होने वाला है, बट फिर भी हमें चाहते हैं कि आप हमेशा हमारे साथ रहो, हमें हमेशा अच्छी चीज़ें सिखाते रहो. जर्मन के अलावा भी आप हमें बहुत कुछ सिखाते हो, इंस्पायर करते हो हमें. एंड थैंक यू फॉर इंस्पायरिंग अस, एंड थैंक यू सो मच मैम, एंड विशिंग यू अ वेरी हैप्पी टीचर्स डे. थैंक यू मैम.
हैप्पी टीचर्स डे कृतिका मैम.
Happy Teachers Day, ma'am.
Hello Kritika ma'am, a very happy Teachers Day. I learned so many things from you. Now I can speak, read and write German very well just because of you. I'm very grateful to be a part of your Pathshala Institute. A very happy Teachers Day Kritika ma'am. Once again, I love you.
Guten Abend, ma'am. Ich wünsche Sie schönen Lehrtag. I'm grateful to be a student of yours. It's been so long with you. I mean, the way you teach in detail. I'm sure that I will never ever receive that in fourth future. Sorry for all our mistakes that we have done. To be honest, I'm nowhere in German, but the day you started teaching us, I must have feel like that I have achieved much knowledge, and that's only because of you. Love you so much and thank you so much. Stay sane, stay blessed, and one more time, happy Teachers Day.
Hello ma'am. I wish you happy Teachers Day, and I want to tell you that you are a very good teacher and you make us very much comfortable with you. So one thing I like the most is just आप जो भी पढ़ाते हो वो बहुत ज़्यादा डीप में पढ़ाते हो, सो दैट कि हमारे जितने भी डाउट्स और कंसेप्ट होते हैं वो बहुत ज़्यादा क्लियर हो जाते हैं. इवन जो डाउट्स नहीं होते वो भी क्लियर हो जाते हैं. सो दैट्स अ वेरी गुड थिंग. सो ऑल्सो यू आर वेरी सपोर्टिव एंड यू आर वेरी मच फ्लेक्सिबल विद अस. सो थैंक यू फॉर एवरीथिंग एंड ऑल द बेस्ट फॉर योर फ्यूचर. एंड वंस अगेन हैप्पी टीचर्स डे.
Hello everyone, I am Komal Binjola and learning German from the Pathshala Institute. Firstly, I would like to wish a very happy Teachers Day to all the respected teachers of the Pathshala Institute. Thanks for always guiding, motivating and supporting us. I would especially like to thank Miss Kritika Sehgal ma'am, who is currently teaching me German. She is a gem of a person for me. Thank you ma'am for always motivating and guiding us. Thank you for always being our side. Lots of love you from our side. Once again, happy Teachers Day. Thank you.
Hallo, glücklicher Lehrertag. Ich liebe dich so viel und Sie verstehen mich sehr. Ich kann gute Deutsch sprechen.
all because of you. I don't know how to form the next sentence, but I know I can feel it. Ki I have been able to speak German like in a better way since I was speaking earlier. I have been learning German since so long, but I was never able to speak German, and now like only in a month you have made me so fluent and so into the subject that I literally get so excited when I have a class with you. You make it so interesting and you teach it so passionately that you are into कि हाँ सामने वाले को पूरा होना चाहिए. You have been so patient and so friendly that I literally love the subject. I am looking forward to do all of my levels with you, and happy Teachers Day, ma'am. Love you.
Hello, I am Sachi Agrawal from Indore, Madhya Pradesh. In this crucial time of pandemic, I had an urge to learn something new, and so for that I chose the Pathshala to learn a new language. I initially doubted, but the Pathshala and Kritika ma'am has successfully made it possible to make me learn Deutsch in such an easier manner. Thank you so much, and Kritika ma'am, es ist Ihr Tag. So on this day, Glücklicher Lehrertag. Thank you so much, ma'am. Danke for your valuable teaching and unbeatable teaching by you. Thank you so much. The only thing I would like to say is, du bist der Beste. Thank you so much, and alles Liebe. Thank you so much.